The phrasal verb we will learn today is look forward to. This phrase is used to show that someone is happy and excited about something that will happen in the future. Look forward to means to anticipate something with pleasure. It is a way to say that you are eagerly waiting for a happy event or moment to come. The correct structure is look forward to followed by a noun or a gerund. A gerund is a verb that ends in ing and acts like a noun in a sentence. Some simple examples are, I am looking forward to my birthday. Are you looking forward to your vacation? I look forward to your response. These show how to use the phrase with different subjects. Use look forward to with verbs ending in ing to talk about actions. For example, I am looking forward to seeing you. We are looking forward to going on holiday. She looks forward to meeting new people. You can also use look forward to talk about future events. For example, I will be looking forward to the concert. They are going to look forward to their trip. Will you look forward to the new year? To talk about things you do not want to happen, use the negative form. For example, I am not looking forward to the exam. She does not look forward to working late. We are not looking forward to moving. Some other ways to say look forward to are anticipate with pleasure, eagerly await, and cannot wait for. These expressions also show excitement and positive feelings about something that will happen.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.